Hey guys, so it's literally 3:30 p.m. It's pretty late. Oh, also the reason why it's blue in my room is because I'm actually making some fun little TikToks. So I thought I would just kind of show you guys. My day started out a little bit weird, so I'm just gonna kind of just do some random stuff today. I'm gonna just do a montage of me doing some random TikToks, I guess. So let's browse. Okay, my phone is really bright because whenever I film, I'm by my window too, so it just needs to be kind of bright or whatever. But also, isn't this setup pretty cute? I love that I can change my light color. It's so fun. The light is called Life X, and so it's one of my favorite lamps. I've been using it, the light bulb, for like the past 2 or 3 years now. I'll leave a link down below that I'm using it, and you can change it any color. So it's super fun, random. I already made like 3 TikTok videos, so I am good for the day, but I'll do one more so you guys can kind of like see me or whatever, looking kind of awkward through camera. I don't know if I'm gonna do a TikTok live tonight. I think that might be next week or the sorts. We will have to see. But anyways, let's just browse. Okay, I think I have to be a little bit closer to the light since the sun likes to set really early now.
Don't be shocked.
Don't be shocked. Okay.
Don't be shocked.
You're shocked?
You're shocked.
Now that I've finished making my TikToks, I'm going to edit one of them, just like with the tags and hashtags. So let's look. I wonder how many people actually know that sound is from One Piece though. It's already 3:40 right now, so I think I'm actually gonna go on a quick walk since today is the warmest of the week. I think it's about like 40 degrees. It's 43 degrees, and that's pretty warm for Minnesota, so I'm gonna try to go on a quick 10, 15, maybe 20-minute walk. So let's go and do that. Because this is for my candle. Oh. Anyways, I just came back from walking and my sister is making this Brussels sprout TikTok. There's so much going on. I'm trying. Chaos ensues. There you go. I did most of that work.
Oh, okay.
I hope you know. You stab it first. Stabby stab to let out the steam. Did you just do that in front of the camera? Yeah. Pretty sure this is my Cosrx. I go to the 7-Eleven they do. Oh my god, it was! But it came out of the box! Wait, it's broken. Oh my god, no, for real, it's broken. I'm sad. Okay, let me get a bowl. Do you want me to completely melt it or just soften it? I can try one. I bought this out for the Brussels sprout. Ew, that's disgusting. They're pretty good. They're better than normal. They're way better than normal Brussels sprouts. Like, I really hate Brussels sprouts. I would not mind eating Brussels sprouts if they were prepared like this. 10 out of 10. TikTok. TikTok got your back. How does the audio go? The flavor is like exploding in my mouth. What's that one? Delicious.
We've gone the distance, I've waited for so long. Sweet like candy, I missed it.
Lucky Charm.
I
I already had
and then you
oh, by the way, the reason why
a song about
here we go.
my
Look at these bad boys right here.
but I always knew you'd come back, so I could finish the song and we could both.
Today was a really chill day, but just thought I would show you guys a little bit of my daily life a little bit. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.
I'm saying that you one day